then we need to go something like Token Ninja or something, just buy the most expensive bottom bracket. I have gone through 2 bottom brackets already and I can hear unbearable creaking noises on my bike. So my friends, number 1, don't be so quick replacing same part over and over again if the problem persists. This is Merida Big 9, good bike, alloy frame, and of course when you have the press fit bottom bracket, it's sometimes not the bearings, because the first thing I checked is the bearings that are the problem, but the joint between the shell, bottom bracket shell, and the shell of the frame. So maybe bad installation. Also, not really precise bottom bracket shell and the frame shell, right? So that might be the problem here, but don't be too quick, because I can already see 3 possible reasons for this noise. So number 1, when I was deinstalling, when I was removing this crankset from the bike, this is Holotech. 2 bolts. It's really important to use the torque between 14 and 16 Newton meters. 1 bolt was really tight. The other one, you could simply unscrew it with your fingers. So that could be the noise, the reason for the noise, because if you over tighten, it will creak. If you have like one really tight and the other loose, it can creak. But let's go further. Now, I'm going to show you 2 sounds more. One is here. Oh. Okay, so this is the noise. It will be unbearable, but this one comes up only when you change the gear, because when you change the gear, your derailleur will open up, right? Thus, this sound. So I'm 100% sure we need to service the clutch, the chain stabilizer on this bike. But I think that's not the reason when my client is pedaling and he hears the noise. But then, I mean, why would you try to remove the wheel when it's the bottom bracket problem? Just check it out. I couldn't undo the through axle. You will hear I already went like from here to here with the tool. It was so tight. So listen to this. Oh, it's still super tight. Oh my God. I cannot even do it with one hand. So, just one moment. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So, that might be the reason why this sound goes from the through axle and the frame, and it might sound like the bottom bracket. It can be, as I said, the joint between, maybe there is no glue and there was no prep maybe down here. But this is definitely the problem. We have alloy threads here on the through axle side, and on the frame side, we should always have a grease there, the grease, but also not so tight. This is way too much. So for me, I will first fix the axle problem. Then I will clean everything here. I will install the crankset and check the torque on those bolts. And then I will go for a ride, making sure that my client doesn't spend now like $80 or more plus my work replacing the bottom bracket with Token Ninja. Token Ninja can be a solution for this problem, but I'm just not so quick doing it because anyways, these things I've showed you must be done. What would you do?